Ready?
Look at my top.
Looks really good. You look really white.
I am white.
Ready?
Go.
Hi guys, Rhazel here and Danny Boy. We will be showing you guys the stuff that we got from Gamiss. I have featured Gamiss many times already. I featured like clothes from Gamiss and all that. They have a lot of stuff aside from that as well. Like they have toys, which we will be featuring today.
House stuff as well.
House stuff, yeah.
Look at everything.
Gadgets, they do. And this time it was actually Dan who did the shopping. That's why he's here. So he will show us the stuff that he got, and then yeah, let us know why.
And all this stuff we'll give to our nieces and nephews and friends' kids as well. We've got heaps of toys.
Yeah, I know.
Where would we start? Which one?
It's up to you. We can start with...
I like these.
Yeah? Oh, these are cool.
These are cool.
Yeah,
so we got 4 of these, different colours.
yeah.
I'll open one up so you can see.
Okay.
What they are placemats. So you put your food in there, you put it on a table, and the kids can't pick it up or throw it, it stays still.
Yeah.
So these are really cool, I like these.
So
very practical.
It is. So we'll show them all the colors that we got. They have 4 colors available and we got all 4 of them.
Yeah, we like them too much. I like them too much. Okay.
And they're really inexpensive as well.
These are cheap.
Yeah. Like,
they feel good actually as well.
do they?
Yeah, they actually feel pretty decent. We should keep them so when we have kids. Actually, they're really good. Actually,
We can just always buy another one.
yeah.
Red, pink, blue, and green. Yeah.
They're cool, aren't they?
So we will give them away.
We'll give them away.
Next one.
Ooh. Lion.
That's a cute line.
This is a cute one.
Oh, you will open it? Okay, Ziggy.
Yeah. Gotta see it properly.
Ah, that is so cute.
That is cool.
It is a bib as well. The line is a bib.
I like that. That is colourful and cool.
I think this
That
is
is.
for...
Chewing.
Yeah. Danny?
That's what it's for. That's actually really
What are
cute.
you giving this to? Actually, Baby V is teething.
No, we can give it to Baby V. It's so cool though.
Yeah, we can give this to Baby V because she's teething right now. So look at all these guys. It has like, what do you call that? The grip thingy. And then this, the baby can chew. And then here, yeah, this is cool. And then the baby can chew this part as well.
Yeah,
that is
cool.
really cool.
I like that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
He chose all this, I didn't really like do anything.
I choose the best toys. I'm a big kid.
Yeah.
This is from
Philippines. From yung Venice Hotel. Yeah. No, not hotel, mall.
Alright, the next one's a toy truck. Awesome. So if you got boys, this is cool.
Oh, it moves around. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with boys and trucks. It's true. This one we'll give to Eli.
Yeah.
He's a boy. Done. Number 1. Christmas came early this year.
Really early.
Really early.
We have this one. What is this bag? Throw rings to toss. What?
No, it sits in the bath and it's just like a bath toy.
Yeah.
So it floats in the bath and then take it out so they can see.
Okay. Oh, that's cute.
That is cute.
Oh, that's nice. I like that.
Maybe give this one to China.
Yeah.
You got, yeah.
Holly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Holly. Yeah, this is cute. Actually, all the toys look really cute, don't they?
I know. And the quality is really good as well, you guys.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
We get a fish. There you go. A crab. Oh yeah, this is perfect for Holly.
Oh yeah.
This is perfect for Holly.
I live near the beach.
Ah, cool.
Yeah. This is the one where the boys played last night.
That's cool. I really like that.
Lovely's husband, myself, and Lovely's kids, we played this one.
Yeah.
So it's already been opened.
Yeah. This is a really cool toy.
Yeah.
Who are we giving this to?
We'll work it out. So what it is, you got to go fishing. So what happens? You turn it on, and then
it comes with 4 fishing rods. Okay, here's your fishing rod, babe. Danny.
I sucked at this game.
Yeah.
And you gotta get it in the fish's mouth. See?
Oh my god.
Wait.
It's not biting mine.
Finally, an hour later.
It's not biting mine.
1 hour later. 1 hour later. And that's how you do it.
This is so cool.
This one's not that exciting, but it's a classic. Where's the scissors, babe?
Unboxing.
You're gonna unbox everything.
Toy unboxing.
It's building blocks. So not that exciting, but kids love this shit, so they do. You can build plenty of stuff. So we won't get too much into this one here, but building blocks, classic, lasts forever.
It comes with the pictures as well, so they can follow the pictures and build. All right, next is.
Should we do this one?
Yeah.
All right, next is pineapple game.
You're too close.
You're too close.
There you go, pineapple game. I don't really understand what this one is.
No, see, this one here, the things pop out and you go hit it with a hammer.
Ah, okay, yeah. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Are we playing?
Yeah.
See, so it looks like that. It has the pineapple and then it has the hammer. Oh, the kids will love it. So you're gonna put batteries in these guys. Double A's?
Double
Double
A's.
A's.
Double A's.
And then when you turn it on,
I like that game. Kids will love that. Yeah, that's a cool one.
yeah. Let me do it.
Yeah.
I love it. It's a pineapple as well. I can play that.
That is a cool game. I like that one.
Yeah. By the way, I will leave all the links of the items below, guys, and then the link of Gamiss will be below as well. So you can see like how much they are. I'm pretty sure they're not like too much.
No, they're really affordable.
Yeah,
and
they
they're good
are.
quality actually.
They are, yeah.
Yeah, they're actually really good.
Alright, next up is this one here. So it's the Marine Biological Cognition. Wow. Fishing game. So it's kind of the same as the other one, but so they have all the what do you call that?
Sea creatures.
Yeah. Sea.
Fish, crabs, squid,
Yeah.
everything.
They have
Seahorses.
yeah.
Everything.
And then they will fish it out. It's a magnet.
That's
Okay.
actually pretty reasonable
Yeah.
as well.
Really nice quality.
Yeah.
of this. So it has 2 fishing thingy. Show them, babe.
I did. I caught it. So you just fish
See?
it.
So you fish.
Boom. Boom.
Oh, cool!
This is a lot easier than the other fishing game.
Yeah, because it's just a magnet.
This one's more for us.
For what?
For us. The other one's too hard.
Yeah, I like this
I like
one.
this one as well.
Keep this.
No,
Just kidding.
this one might be good for Holly as well.
Yeah, this is for a 3-year-old and above. Looks like that. So I'm not really
You
sure.
know who I'm thinking for this one?
Who?
Eli.
Oh yeah.
Trucks. Yeah.
There's
He'll like these.
6 trucks. Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, cute. He will love this. Yeah, you're right.
This is for my nephew Eli. Our nephew Eli.
Yeah. Oh, this is
He'll
cute.
like that. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright. We can wrap that and give it to him. Are we down to the last one?
So Eli, get those. And
We're down to the last one.
We are down to the last one.
Alright, last one, you guys, is this. Urban Traffic Magnetic Puzzle. Oh, a puzzle! I love puzzles. Oh, this is cool. Okay.
I can't remember choosing this one.
Alright.
I can't honestly remember this is on. Oh well.
Nice quality, it's
Yeah.
good.
Like a little box. Beer box.
Yeah. Oh, alright. So it looks like that.
This will pop open.
And it will, yeah. Alright, so it pops open.
What you do is put it in there.
Yeah, here.
Or either either.
Yeah, there. There. It comes with an eraser, tapos meron ding, so it's a magnet.
Yeah.
A pen.
You build it all on there.
So it comes with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Da da da.
And then it comes with a little
Yeah.
pamphlet as well that shows you like what you can build. And you can draw. It comes with what else? I think this is a pen.
I think this is a pen as well.
Yeah, don't use it though, but oh yeah, it is a pen.
Whoops. It's a bit wonky.
What are you trying to? Ah! Hello, babe. Nice drawing. Nice drawing, babe.
That's Raisin. She's grumpy.
Erase it.
Oh, we use a different cloth because it'll be.
Oh, this is nice. I think this is perfect for you.
For me?
Yeah.
This is my favourite one. I love that.
And that goes to Baby B.
That's Baby B's. That's really cool.
Yeah. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Again, all the links will be below. Thank you to Gamiss for letting us pick all these toys. The kids will love these. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Dan really enjoyed choosing all the toys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on our next one. Do not forget to be good. Bye.
2020.
I think we need the scissor bag. Scissors?
Yeah, thanks.
Yes, please. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Danny boy! You just broke this one.
Is it
Wait.
broken?
No, it's not broken.
I guess something's missing from.
Do whatever you want. That was tough.
Get your own. They don't even know what you got. It's like she's holding up some boxes. Mine they can see the truck and it's mine.